Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure to turn on Aim Assistant in Fortnite. If you want to turn on Aim Assistant in Fortnite, you have to follow these steps. To begin with, you want to open the Fortnite application and log into your account. As logged in, what next you want to do is go ahead and click on the settings menu from the top right corner of your screen. On the next field, what you want to do is select controller options tab, and once you want to then toggle on advanced option settings, after which you want to go ahead and click or set assistant strength to 100%. And as you've done it, so you've successfully enabled or turned on Aim Assistant in Fortnite. So this is the way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.